You're black and you can't seem to get a promotion no matter how hard you work? Well, in this video, I'm giving you the 3 reasons that you're not getting promoted at work. Number 1, black people are over-mentored and under-sponsored. It is a fact. The data has shown it. We are over-mentored and under-sponsored. And let me break that down for you so I can help you, my brothers and sisters, my people of color, get ahead in the corporate space. Let me tell you about mentorship. Mentorship is someone who has done the job before you. You're able to go to them and ask them for tips and tricks and ask questions around how to handle certain situations. If you've been doing your job for 5 years, 7 years, do you really need a mentor? No, you don't. No, you don't, because you know how to do your job. And if you're a little bit uncertain, you should be able to go right on over to your line manager. But what you're really seeking more than likely is sponsorship. Now, sponsorship is a whole other kettle of fish, y'all. It's something that we don't get on the natural, on the daily, on the yearly. You don't see it, and that's why you don't know about it. Sponsorship is you're working with someone as in they're like 2, 3 positions above you. You've established a relationship with them. They have a certain level of power within the organization. They're in a position to say, hey, KK would be great for this opportunity. And those are what we call a sponsor or an advocate. Now, let me tell you something. People of color, I need you to understand this. You need more than one advocate at work, because you'll need as many people as possible to say and to be speaking your name. Speak your name. Oh, KK can do that. Oh, I think KK would be great for that stretch assignment. Oh, I think KK, KK has that particular skill. If you want to know what sponsorship is all about, I got another video. I'm going to suggest that you go ahead and watch that. Go watch that playlist, because it's going to help you. Now, let me give you the second reason you are not getting a promotion at work. Most people do not upskill. What are you talking about, KK? I'm doing my work. No, you don't upskill. You're not updated on the software in your area of business. Maybe you're in customer service of some kind of customer success. You don't know what's going on in the customer success space. Maybe you're like me, you're an executive coach. You're not taking any continued professional development. See, all of this shines high on your resume. It shines high when it's time to fill out that form for promotion, and hopefully you've done your research on the job that you want to go for a promotion. You really know what it takes to get that job. Then you should be looking at your skill set and upskilling where possible. In the role that I have as a full-time professional coach for a coaching firm in London, I do this 5 days a week. I hear it all the time. My diverse talent usually are working 10 times harder and not 10 times smarter. So what they're doing is they're giving away their time for no extra compensation and no upskilling. So you're playing yourself. That's why I say you got to upskill, because we're already probably working 10 times harder. You can then flex and use some of that time to upskill yourself, because I can guarantee you that extra time that you're putting in is far better than your non-diverse talent person already in the business. Straight up, keeping it real. Ask your line manager what's available in your part of the business where you can upskill. Go to the talent development team and ask what programs that are available. Do research outside of the business that you're working for to find out how to upskill, what is on offer out there in the public space. And then you bring it to your boss and say, what resources are available for me to upskill? Because if I get this certification, it's going to be a benefit to the organization. Understand me when I say the second reason that we don't get those promotions that we want is because we don't upskill, because we're doing too much of the doing. Stop doing that. The third reason we don't get promoted in work is because we don't self-promote. That's right. I said it, self-promotion is everything. If people don't know what you are doing, if they don't know the value that you're adding to the organization, if they ain't hearing about all the great thing that's about you, then how are they going to believe you are worth that promotion? Well, how do I do that, KK? I'm an introvert, or I don't want to be like people who's just like always talking. Well, if you're not willing to get out of your way to succeed, that is another reason why you won't get there. I need you to go ahead and self-promote in a way that is natural to you. If you're my introvert and you happen to like writing, get on LinkedIn, share articles, share information that's something to do with, say, if you're a project manager, talk about project management. Let people notice you. Copy in the @ symbol at just the name of the company. Those people that are watching are going to see it. You're also going to be able to share that information again in the interview for a promotion. So let me just break it down, you guys. We got to look and say, what can I do to get that promotion, right? If you aren't doing those 3 things, you're failing yourself, and you risk believing you're not getting promoted because you're Black or of a diverse background. Let's keep it real. There's some idiots in organizations that will try to hold you back because of the color of the skin, your skin, because your education where you come from is not a top university. People may not like you because this, that, and the third. I'm not saying that that's not the case, because it is. I have dealt with people like that myself in my professional career. Set yourself up for success. And if people still ain't gonna give you that promotion and you doing all those things, well, honey, you better start looking for another job and get yourself on out of that organization. And if you don't know how to put a cover letter together, I got a video for that too. Understand how to write a cover letter, understand how to put a CV together, a resume together, because you got everything you need. Do those 3 things. Get your sponsorship, upskill yourself, self-promote, and honey, watch the promotion come to you. And like I say, if it don't, bye. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch the next video for more career advice. Oh, did I tell you? I'm KK Harris. I'm an executive coach and a business coach psychologist. I help professionals get ahead in the corporate space. I'll see you next time.